Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on wherever you are. This is your main man, PK. Math is fun by PK. Today we are going to look at geometric construction, and the angle that we are going to construct is angle 90 degrees. Yes, and we are going to have fun with construction because construction is one topic that you will be able to get every single thing right. Okay, this is not of calculation or any other thing that you said I've forgotten that step or that step. Compass is well tightened, your pencil is well sharpened, so that you don't get any double lines anywhere for your teacher to take marks from that. Okay, so construction of 90 degrees, we'll begin with that. I always say that make sure you have excess. No one will punish you for that. No one will penalize you. Okay, so construction of 90 degrees, let's see. Okay, I go that way, having my line segment AB. So I have line A and my line B. Okay, then I put my pencil down. What can I do now? Remember that you are not supposed to use a protractor. A protractor here, we will use it all right, but we use it to check our angle is the construction of the angle is right or what or wrong. And remember that when you measure and you get +1 -1, we still mark it for you, but anything apart from that is wrong. So that is where you have to be very careful. I always advise sharpen your pencil well. Okay, so I have my line AB here, construction of 90 degrees. I am not restricted for my angle to be on a particular point. So whether point A or point B, it goes. Okay, so you can pin here and construct an arc, or you can go for a semicircle. I have my semicircle, and you make sure that this line is extended to a point whereby it will meet the semicircle. So the line is extended that way. Okay, but I didn't go so wrong. You don't have to use your free hand to draw any line. Your ruler should be used. Okay, I have my semicircle here, and with my semicircle, what am I going to do with it? Okay, all that we can do is that you can pin at this point. Some will not do a semicircle. Some will just go and say that, oh, I need just an arc here and an arc there. Yeah, that will be enough for 90 degrees. So I do this one, my semicircle. With my semicircle, I can decide that, okay, since I've done a semicircle, some go as far as constructing 60 here, 60 there. Okay, then you can check if you are still getting your 60 that side. Anyway, okay, so after getting this, all that we have to do is that you pin on where the arc is meeting the semicircle. Now you can open your compass to any length that you want. Okay, so I open it as far as this side. Okay, then I'll have to pin here again, and I'll open it and construct another arc. We see that the two arcs are meeting at a point. So this line will be brought to that point. This is a point that was given to us so that the angle comes there. Okay, so we can draw our line through by using our ruler and our pencil. So I just go here and I draw a straight line coming down to point A. You make sure that you don't move your ruler or anything. A straight line coming to point A, and your 90 degree is done. Okay, going to that one also, remember I said that some will do an arc here and arc there. Then you can open your compass to any length, but I always advise learners that open it like more than half of your line. Okay, so you pin on point B, you construct an arc, you pin on point, not exactly point B, sorry, you pin on where the arc met like AB. Okay, then here you pin on where the arc met that line, you construct another arc, then your line also goes through. So you get to see that here will give you 90 degrees. If I come to this side also, on my point B, I will also get a 90 degree. Okay. If your construction is done and done well, you also get a 90 degree. But what do? We always have to check if we've done the right thing or not. So I go there, I make sure that this is exactly on the line. Then I read from that side 90. If I read from this side also, I get 90. So this side is 90, that side is 90. This side also, you do the same thing. You make sure this is exactly on the line. Okay? You read, you get exactly 90 degrees. So whether you use this one or you use that method, you are still going to get what? 90 degrees. Okay? With 90 degrees also, we also use perpendicular bisection.